Good morning, everybody. It's fair day. Sissy's excited. She baked her cupcakes yesterday that she's entering in the baking contest. They changed it this year and they're having it on Saturday morning. They used to have it in the evenings, like on a Thursday night or something. We're getting the pumpkin ready, y'all, for not a pumpkin pie. I know what y'all were thinking. Y'all were thinking pumpkin pie was coming, but it's not. Pumpkin cupcakes with a brown butter cream cheese frosting. Sissy's starting the butter for the brown butter frosting over here. So you just let this melt, right? Until it starts to brown on medium heat. It'll melt, get kind of foamy, then start to turn a golden brown color. Then she's gonna take it off and put it in the refrigerator until it's time to make the frosting. Over here, she has her pumpkin all mashed up and she's ready to start adding all of her other ingredients. I'm excited. I'm just gonna keep an eye on her butter for her. We're waiting on the chicken pot pie to cool down. I'll be your Teresa.
What's a Teresa?
Paul is one of her assistants. She has many. Teresa sets stuff up for her and probably cleans it up. I don't know. Eddie films. You got an invisible Eddie right now. Butter looking good, Paula. Your eggs, madam.
Thank you.
Here's her beautiful brown butter. Look at that, Daddy.
That looks really good.
So it's just got to cool down now, and then she'll put it in the refrigerator until time to make the frosting. We got her these cute cupcake liners from the Dollar Tree when me and Titus went a few weeks ago. They were from the Dollar Tree Plus section. It was $3 for 50 of them. Some of them say fall blessings like this with the pumpkins, and then the other ones are just like this. They don't say anything. She's not gonna bake them in these because I'm not quite sure how the cupcake will look if it, you know, because these are a little taller than normal cupcake liners. So she's baking them in these parchment paper liners here.
Folks, if you hadn't found out by now, these people feed me around.
Yeah.
That's good.
So we're excited. She's about to put the frosting on the 4 that she kept to the side for the contest because she has to take 4 there. So she's gonna get those ready to go. And in just a little bit, it's fair time. Hello.
Hey, Mama, look, monkey.
Yeah, there's a monkey. Hey, monkey.
Can I touch it? Shell?
Yeah, you can touch a shell. Go down this one.
I want to pet that.
Yeah, pet that one.
Okay, oh, it has little horns. Yeah. It's so cute. I cannot wait to
Oh, look, that looks like... Hey, the object of this is when I blow the bills.
Come here, watch Jonah.
Catch them, catch as many as you can. Come here and see what you got. You have a great day.
You too. Look, that's really pretty.
Blankets are really good opener. Whoa, it's transformed.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Funnel cake, strawberry lemonade, and barbecue down there. Egg rolls here. Philly cheesesteak down here. More funnel cakes. Shaved ice and ice cream. Down here. Donuts. Oh look, they have a little Western boutique over there. Boiled peanuts.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's Elephant Toothpaste. I appreciate each and every one of you for coming out.
You made it. They're still taste testing.
Are they?
Yeah.
Go for it.
Oh, you almost got it. Brazilian barbecue, Brown's barbecue, tacos down there. Audra, go!
Mama.
Yeah! Let's see that ribbon, Cece. First place. You gotta put the flavor on it. It's just ice right now.
Here.
What color you want? This color?
What color you want?
The blue penguin.
Pull down on that blue one. Strawberry. Woo!
Is that awesome?
That's an awesome situation right there now.
Okay, y'all, it is many hours later. It's 10 minutes until 6. It's just me, Sissy, and Manly here. Titus, Tyler, Jacob, and Jonah are all going down to his uncle's house. They're going to the horse sale, doing some stuff with cows. I'm not sure what all they're doing, but me and Sissy and Manly came back here. We took a nap. It was a very busy morning, so that's I have nap hair going on. So the three of us are having Papa John's for supper. We have cheese sticks, and I ordered us this papadilla to share. Manly actually already ate some corn dogs just a little while ago, so I'm not sure if he's gonna be really hungry, but Titus and the boys are probably gonna be eating at the horse sale. Manny, you want some cheese sticks? You don't want any right now? He just ate those corn dogs, so. You want some more drink? Okay.
He's bringing kids from 5 years old to 13 above the 4 that have been here today. Okay? Who requires little magazines or hard here, she is 18 years old.
All right, I got the kitchen cleaned up. I'm out here now feeding the chickens and everybody. We had a little thunderstorm pass through. It's still sprinkling a little bit. I've got some folks following me. Hey Boots, long time no see.